Okay, so the thing is that I would like to thank everyone because we got almost all together 28,000 registrations, sir, ma'am. So seriously, this is one of the biggest faculty alternate program, and so without all your support, okay, it won't possible. So the points, what exactly we want to discuss today. First thing is 21st evening we are going to start around 6:30 and 7 o'clock we'll start our program. And for that, we are, as I said, 20,000 faculty details we need to segregate. That is the reason we are sending the highest number of registration wise, because once you get the details, you need to invite all the faculties and you need to make it I mean, you need to make WhatsApp groups and everything, and you need to create a WhatsApp link, and you need to share with all our participants via email. That is easy, and ask them to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram groups. That's completely up to you, whatever the easy process to you. And other thing is, as these many participants, we are giving a deadline of September 5th is the deadline to get a certificate. If you intimate before, because once we start our program, always calling, I mean, these many calls we are getting, it's very difficult. That is the reason initially we'll say September, they will get certificates before September 5th. So at least September 5th or September 7th, we can give the deadlines. If you give a longer date, that would be good. So that is one thing. And that completely this program will be live telecast on YouTube only. And whatever the updates and this in Telegram, I mean, feedback forms and everything, attendance sheet, everything, we'll take it from Telegram group only. And one more thing, we can't. Yeah, yes, no. So whatever the questions you have, you can ask in the chat. So the certificates, coordinate certificates will provide from our end, from Brainovision. So the college will for every college will provide 3 members. So we'll check it. Three coordinators for every host college. Okay, for the participant, next meeting we'll keep, and we'll share the participant certificate by tomorrow evening. But only one thing is, from every host college, at least a person who knows basic designing, who can understand designing thing, that next meeting you can arrange. What we do is we'll keep a form or something. Generally, you can share that to the person who can easily understand the certificate editing and everything. Because the first to come first will share. So, and major thing is, many colleges actually, while filling the, I mean, registrations, few people, I mean, not given proper names. Sometimes they mistake their, I mean, names and as well as college names and everything. Whatever the data will share with you. So you need to correct that data and you need to share it before we are sending the certificates and all. Because the thing is that some spelling mistakes on the certificates, because once we send, again they will call us. That is the reason my request is, so in case they mistakenly give college names or mistakenly given their actual names on certificates, you need to make it properly and you need to share the sheet end of the day. So this is one thing. Yeah. Feedback and attendance sheet both will be same in single link. We'll share in Telegram group, as well as you can make it in WhatsApp group also after that. And for the YouTube, we'll close all live comments generally. And my suggestion is, like, if you give YouTube channel, generally once they subscribe, automatically they will get the live and all. Telegram group link will keep in the, anyway, we'll keep in the our WhatsApp group, Telegram group links and all. And one more thing, quiz link end of the day. So as per many people request, end of the day, or yeah, we'll share through Telegram as well as because quick and easy information, Telegram is a better source. So once we keep like previous things also, previous conversions also, you can easily read. WhatsApp means it might be very difficult to, they can't see the previous conversations and all. That is the reason we'll give Telegram, and you everyone please join Telegram as well. So any other questions generally? You can post in the chat or else.
Just
Yes, ma'am. All 5 days attendance is mandatory. Test end of the day, as per the many request, test end of the day. And one more thing, people might be joint payment with a college. They need to go through same college. And I mean, whenever while giving the feedback, same like we'll give the colleges wherever, whatever the college we given registrations, that for that college only they need to submit the feedback. And one more thing, yeah, we'll provide a link for everything, common link, like registration link only. We'll provide common link. And before that, we'll share with you on, I hope everyone is in WhatsApp group. We'll share in the, yeah, student workshop. Actually, what we do is in this only, so we'll share it by either student or faculty, and for student certificate also. That is different from general FTP. Student certificate is completely different. Each student certificate also needed college logos and all, or else can we keep directly from Brainovision and AACT? Attendance and feedback link that college need to include. Okay. So then we can make one more certificate. But first we'll close the faculty one, then we can take 10 more days, then we can, I mean 10 more days means by September 10th we'll close the student one also. Right, man. Yes, sure. Yeah, so we are sending, sir, generally, as I said, 28,000 participants. We are, I mean, making into segregating and everything. That is the reason it's taking, I mean, a lot of time. So definitely we'll share. And almost today we have done, I mean, 30 plus colleges. Okay, so we'll work, and by tomorrow evening, mostly we'll share to all the colleges. I mean, we are sending highest registration wise because they need to connect to them and they need to mails and all. The highest registration is around 1800. Feedback will take daily. Yeah, definitely, ma'am. So rules generally while using YouTube and many people going through their mobiles, at least everyone they need to use earphones or headphones that they will get more clarity. Rules and that one also will keep, ma'am. Yeah, feedback is mandatory. Feedback and end of the day we'll keep a slide exam for only 30%. Program structure will, yeah, already given. Again, we'll share. Yes, feedback also they need to select host college. That's only 30%. 30% needed, ma'am. I mean, like for we'll keep for 30 marks and the 30 questions might be the minimum is 10 questions should be correct. Sorry, please send FTP link and feedback exam Google form link direct. From our end we'll share, and your end you can also share in case anyone missing from our end. Not feedback only end of the day. As I said, like generally for the not feedback. Sorry. Daily feedback. The quiz will be end of the day. I mean end of 5 days, 5th day. Ma'am, actually that's only, ma'am. We will share you the email IDs, phone numbers, and everything. So by tomorrow evening, I mean we are working on it. So in this participation side, let's add participants affiliation. Yeah, definitely, sir. That's the reason. Yes, sir. That's the reason. Actually, we are sending you the registration list completely. You need to check their college names and everything, and you should take. We have time, right? Like within 5 days and all. So in these 5 days, you need to collect proper data and you need to share with us, sir. Yes, sir. And if you ask all the questions, because the thing is that from participant side, whatever the questions you're generally getting, right? If you keep on the WhatsApp group, what I do is we'll write answers to FAQs to all the, I mean, giving the answers to all the questions. That would be easy. Whatever the questions you having, generally you can keep on our WhatsApp group, question number 1, question number 2, like that. So based on that.
And one more thing, sir.
Sir?
Sir, till now participants have only reached registration. Registration is completed. Only registration details through mail. There is no update on regarding FTP, how to participate, and they can't receive any mails.
Sir, actually, we are working on that. So, sir, I think I request everyone keep mute yourself until.
Sir, I request other participants, please mute yourself while talking other. Please.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, just I'm showing our how our.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Anyone subscribe Brainovision YouTube channel, sir, ma'am? Are you getting live?
Sir. Yes, sir, it's going to live.
Yeah, right. I think so. Is my screen visible? I think so.
Screen is not visible, sir.
Yeah, yes. Just sharing. Right.
Yes, sir, now visible.
Not visible, right, sir? So, we are preparing everything. So we are sending actually almost we received this all everything. So by today night, mostly we'll send the details to all the faculties who are faculties and students who are registered through our portal. So after that, generally the recordings and everything that will be after the class only. We'll take the recordings and we will upload in our portal, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the confirmation.
So any other questions, sir, ma'am?
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, which will be daily, no? What you said?
Quiz.
Which will conduct daily, sir?
No, ma'am. Actually, as many people request, we are keeping quiz last day.
Last day, 30 questions, what is told is last day.
So attendance is mandatory for every day. Attendance feedback.
Every day attendance is mandatory. Okay. And you will give time, no, sir? Which after the session, no? You will give 1 or 2 hours time, sir?
Yes, we'll provide.
And regarding this certificate, sir, I have not received any thing from you. Only list I received.
Certificate will share by tomorrow evening, ma'am.
Okay.
By tomorrow evening.
So the YouTube link and all what today you have sent, you mean we have to send it to the student participants?
Yes, ma'am.
The same
yes,
YouTube link
from
as well
our
as
from our end also will share, but most of the time what will happen, it might be spam sometimes because we are sending to almost 30,000 emails, right, ma'am? So what happens generally, if someone click on spam, it will go to many people. I mean, it will went to spam. So in case either from my side or your side, they need to subscribe, then it's easy. So whenever we are getting live, automatically they will get the notification.
Okay.
And you need to do anything.
Okay.
And the thing is that while sending and finally we'll take registrations from you. Okay, so whatever the example for a college, we given 500 registration, we'll take it from only 500. So
good evening, sir.
Sir,
attendance, you will be sending up a common form to all the participants, no? In that
right,
only is participants have to select again the host college.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We no need to get a separate attendance certificate. Am I right?
But whatever the link provided to you, you just share in our groups.
Yeah, that is it is that is you will also share, and also we have to share. We have to form up a group, and then we to do the same thing.
Because of that, if we keep single different registration forms, they might be confused.
Okay.
because if they fill in other college and another college, they won't fill. Okay.
Oh,
So that
yeah,
is
that is why I'm asking.
reason
Whether
we
you will be sending or we have to send.
from our end only.
Okay, from your end, you'll be sending up a
Yeah.
registration form, daily attendance sheet, and then feedback form at the end of the session, last
day.
day, and then quiz link also you have to send.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
So why do we
but we
need
have to monitor.
every time?
Sorry, ma'am.
Why do we need
No,
registration every day?
not registration every day. That is first day one.
Okay, that is over. So whatever link it is sent in host group, that has to be forwarded to the concerned college group.
Yeah, group.
Yeah, we form a group of host college.
Yeah, we have to form up a group of that is based on the participants list. By tomorrow he will be he'll be sending note that we have to form up a group, and then we have to share the details to them.
Forward whatever from the group it is given.
You will be sending up in the WhatsApp group also, no?
Ma'am, so yeah, you can ask me the direct question, ma'am, generally.
Okay.
Sir, host need not register again as a participant, no?
Ma'am, host need to be registered, ma'am, because if you need it, certificate,
Participation, sir.
Will you be giving up a separate certificate for a host?
Host college will provide 3 certificates. I mean, host college certificate will provide, and after that we'll provide 3 faculty certificates. That is, coordinator certificates. Right.
Okay.
That's
okay.
In case if you need participant certificate,
we have to register separately.
Participant.
Okay. But we didn't register, sir. We have just taken as a host coordinator.
As coordinator, you will get it.
Okay. Thank you.
His coordinator is fine, right, ma'am? In case if you don't need any.
I'm asking, is it necessary to register again as a participant?
If you make it, then you can get the participant certificate also, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. Could you send the certificates by tomorrow, sir?
Mostly, sir. We are working on it.
Okay, sir. So that we can edit any requirements. Are there any editing? Is there? We can make it, sir. Make it as early as possible, sir.
Sure, sir. Definitely.
Yes, sir. All the participant certificates and host to college host certificates.
Right. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Mostly,
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We'll make it tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, ma'am, any questions?
The last meeting you have asked for some persons, that is from help, like that you have asked some persons. No, what is the nature of work?
For that, actually, we'll share another form, I think so. We'll discuss and we'll keep in the group. Generally, the thing is that for the certificates and everything we discussed, but most of the time we only, I mean, what we do is we'll keep some certificates in the format. Okay, if you need any changes, you can let us know. Okay, in the group, because first we'll take the confirmations, right? So in case anyone wants to take the contents and everything, whatever the group, almost every coordinators, right?
Okay.
So we'll keep it in the group only. Then once we confirm, then only we'll share to your emails.
Okay.
So any other questions, ma'am? Sir.
Sir, is it necessary to do inauguration function in the college, or it is up to the college?
It's up to you, Kalina, because tomorrow if someone asks you any proofs or something, okay, inauguration, is it happened or not, or so you have some photographs and everything, right? So that is the reason we are requesting. That is up to you. It's not mandatory and everything. Okay. So if you make it small, that's up to you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We will definitely connect, sir. We will definitely connect because host college means as if we are conducting, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
definitely we will involve, sir. We will involve in the inauguration and this valedictory function also. We in the
Yes,
local college and the under heads of departments.
either
Senior
my request is at least if you
sir.
keep an online session also using Zoom or Google Meet, okay, so you have some
Yes.
photographs, because most
Yes,
of the time we are giving YouTube, right? So generally they'll ask some photographs, how you done and everything. That is the reason if you take a feedback from oral feedback or something generally, okay, so ask everyone, our faculties to switch on their cameras. Okay, that would be good if you taking that pics and all.
Yes, sir. Yes,
That is my suggestion generally. That's up to you. End of the day.
yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Definitely, because so this kind of the programs, this will give experience to us also, sir. So
Right.
it's we are getting a very good experience with this Braino with the help of Braino Vision's support, sir. We are also getting very good experience in conducting the FDP, sir.
Thank you, sir. So always, sir, because the thing is that we can work together and we can reduce many difficulties. Okay.
Sir.
So
Sir, last time you displayed the poster in that logo of every college was displayed in
yes,
first
ma'am. Actually, that also we thought, ma'am, but the problem is that we didn't have that much time. Okay. So that's the reason actually we tried, but we'll check, ma'am. If possible, most of the we'll do it. We'll do it.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
That
participants are asking like contents of each day schedule. Listen, sir.
it already kept in the group, ma'am. But anyway, we will keep one more time.
And it once again, sir, I'm not able to get it.
Okay. Sure, ma'am. So they again, I'm requesting we'll share you the data, collect the data properly. Sometimes the names and college names and everything, and some faculties not giving the proper data. I mean proper college names and all. But that is your work to collect that properly. And one more thing, the thing capital letters, if you give it properly, that would be good. I mean, some letters, some capital letters, not like that. You need to make the Excel sheet properly. You need to resend that one.
Means the same sheet you have to correct it and send you back, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Siriksha, the civics class work.
Sir, one of my requests is in your registration form itself, you can keep in brackets name of the participants in block letters. It's better because if we entered in block letters, it will be very clear for you for the certificates also.
I didn't get block letter.
What I'm telling you is at the time of registration, you will keep the name of the person, sir. We need to enter that option. At that option, you can keep in brackets that mention in block letters.
Right. But it's always
that's better,
right.
I think.
Yeah.
Because if we mention clearly means the participant can also enter in capital letters.
Yes, ma'am. That is correct, actually.
Yes,
it's okay, ma'am. Capital letters we can make it. Generally, we need to use some formulas and all. but many
Yes, sir.
people
If
give it.
you mention clearly in the registration form, it will be automatically reflected in capital letters without any mistakes. That is my opinion.
Yeah, that is correct, ma'am, actually. But
Yes, sir.
we
If
already done
possible,
that.
please try to correct it, sir. For the first day registration, you are saying, no, sir.
No,
For
it
that,
is,
if possible.
ma'am, you're right.
Yeah. Thank you,
It's
sir.
not registration, it's again attendance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And a participant registration is mandatory to get the certificate. Many times what happen, like people give the free registration, like feedback and all, and after that again expecting the certificates. So that also we need to mention.
So small clarification.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so all 5 days they have to have attendance and they have to attend the quiz. Then only they will be getting the participation certificate, right?
Quiz only last day, sir.
Okay. So just all registered participants won't be getting participant certificate. Those who are attending all the 5 days and attending the quiz, then only they will be getting participant certificate, right?
And registration is also mandatory.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Why I was asking is if we are just preparing the overall list, that will not be the participant list, right? Final day quiz and that 5-day attendance based on that only will be giving a participant certificate, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, is there any minimum marks to score in quiz?
Yes,
Get
ma'am.
the certificate.
30, 10.
Out of 30, we need to get 10 marks. Okay.
So any other quick questions, ma'am? So
Hello, sir.
yes, sir.
Sir, what about maximum marks of quiz and minimum marks required for passing?
As of now, we are thinking of 30, but we try to reduce. So it might be, I don't know. I'm just talking to technical team.
Okay, I think minimum 50 means 50 questions are expected. I think if you please means take this point into consideration. 50 questions and then you can decide a minimum score out of 50. So it will be a good thing.
50 questions is mandatory. I mean, generally, is there any form like that?
No. What I'm expecting is that it is a national level FDP, so it should have some weightage and it should have some standard. So if you keep it at say minimum 50 questions and then you decide the passing limit and then you can proceed ahead so that it will be better. And at the same time, it is also the thing that all staff members have taken.
Sure, sir. We'll talk to him. And
but it is not only computer science related department, all departments are participating, sir. So
yes,
everyone maybe not thorough with the cloud. So that also you have to keep into consideration because it is not only computer science departments.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. But the thing is
circuit branches also will be there.
Yes, sir, your plan was correct. 30 questions and scoring 10 was, we feel it's very correct.
That as we have taken lots of expecting certificate, so situation for both as well.
Yeah, I too agree with you. 30 and 10, okay. 50 will be too much. Why? Because we are getting mathematics and all other interdisciplinary also. So 50, I don't think people will be able to answer.
Sure, sir. That's the reason. Generally, the thing is that mixed opinions and all will take. Then finally, we'll conclude. So, I'll talk to my technical team also. And definitely, I'll take all the opinions. I'll consider.
And sir, hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, already staff members and students have registered. So you are having that data with you, right? So
Right,
as
sir.
a as a host college, we need not to send to you all the details. Na? Is it okay? Na? It is like that.
No, sir. Actually, we'll share all the data to you. Now, whatever the data we received, right, the details, we'll share with you. But what your role is, you need to correct with them, because in case 100 students is there, just if you make it any group and anyone taking the mistakes or something, so if you, because once we share the certificate, they will again ask, sir, can we make the modifications and all? It's too much work. That is the reason before sending also, if you make it, okay, this data is correct and this.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I hope I'm audible.
Hello, sir. You are audible, sir. Please repeat, sir.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, generally we got these maybe 28,000 registrations, right? So now many people might be given, mistaken names, spelling mistakes or something. So whatever the data, people who are registered for your host college will share all the details to you. So within 1 or 2 days or 3 to 4 days, you need to correct and you need to send the data back. That with that data only we'll share the certificates. Otherwise, if we send direct certificates and after that again they will come to you or me, sir, I need a small changes in my certificate. 20,000 certificates changing is very difficult. Hope you got it.
Sir.
So other than this, any other questions, sir, ma'am? I think so. I'm audible to everyone, I think so.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yeah, please, sir.
Sir, is it certificate is having any barcode or any type of code, like any serial number certificate?
I'll check with the team, sir. Okay, if you want, we'll try. I'll check it, because if we make it 100 or 200, 300, it's easy. But 28,000 certificates, I'll just check with my team, sir. Okay, because we can make it, but the time taken was too long, actually.
Sir, if we created a link to download the certificate, the participant can enter their names directly and they can download it directly from that link. It's better for you.
We'll do one thing, ma'am. Generally, whatever the certificate will generate, right, we'll keep in a centralized and we'll share to all the colleges all again. We'll send to participant and as well as send to college also. As you mentioned that also, I'll need to check. That is a bit lengthy process, because we need to maintain servers and all. Anyway, we'll share to all the participant college also. So whenever any participant need it, they can collect from the college, host college.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, it will be better if you will be keep all the certificates in the Google Drive and of the different host colleges, and you can share this drive link to us.
Same thing I'll do. I'll do same thing. We'll make a very different college folders, host college folders. In that, all the college certificates will be there, and we'll share to the respective colleges.
Yes, that will be better, because when you are going to send the email, sometimes spam or some technical issues may.
Sure, sure.
And one more thing I would like to ask, that is, means certificate will be generated from registration data or from feedback data?
Registration and feedback data.
Feedback and quiz link, ma'am. Feedback and quiz link. Because we need to say score minimum marks to get the certificate.
The thing is that whatever the registration data and as well as we'll take the feedback and quiz one. So we'll merge it and we have tools final data will get, because registration is mandatory.
Yes. But sir, as you told, you will send the registration data and we need to modify that data for spelling mistake, college and all.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, yes.
We need to send it. Okay. And during the registration, participant may make some mistake or maybe some give another details. Sometime maybe college in detail or in short. So how we can manage this problem?
That's only, ma'am. You need to correct, right? You will correct that one, right?
But sir, how we can correct now? Because participant know their college name and all details. So how we can correct it? Means.
Ma'am, actually, you will make a WhatsApp group, right? So how we are sending the names, like that only you'll send the names without email and as well as phone number. In case if they are asking any corrections, you can make it Excel sheet. Or else you can keep a form like only email IDs you directly give. And they need to enter their names properly.
Sir, we can inform the participant. Na, if you whatever participant will enter in the feedback form, the certificate will be generated accordingly. So it's a responsibility of participant to give all the details correctly.
Yes, ma'am. That is correct actually.
It will be better now because we don't know, because we have sent the link to all over India. There are different participants.
What I'm saying is generally my suggestion is whatever the data will provide to you, just you from your end at least like try to make it.
Okay.
If possible.
Okay.
Because I know in case there are only 100 members or 150 members, it's very easy. But sometimes it is thousands or 1800 like that. It's somewhat difficult. But only the registrations mistakes, only 2-3 might be, I think so.
Sir, the main mistake will be college name. Some will write it short form and some will write with
that's only, ma'am. That's only. Most of the time they will know, right? Or else you can keep a form or sheet. Because what my suggestion is, like in the drop down, in case the average college is 100 to 150 registrations, you can keep email ID as a common, the drop box or something, and they can write the names properly again.
Okay. Actually, sir, when you will send the registration link, after creating the WhatsApp group, we can share that Excel sheet to the group also, so that participant can make the correction. That will be also better. But one thing is,
that's only.
but sir, there may be two cases that will be better, that some participant will accurately make the correction and see that details. But some participants may be non-technical, or they may make the changes in other, or some records may be deleted. This problem may be occur actually when we are sending the Excel sheet or Google sheet to the participant. This may occur. This is also
what we can do from our end also, we'll think by tomorrow. Okay, so we'll definitely plan. And so one more important thing. Okay. Hope everyone fill the Google forms, whatever the things we given. 1 minute.
Sir, small suggestion.
Yes, sir.
So after the feedback and quiz is over, then we can clean the data, I suppose. Because thereby, before issuing the certificate, we will, with the registration data and the quiz attended data, we will clean it and we will try to put the data. That will be easy, I suppose.
Sir, please come again once.
Now we are going to clean the data, right? With the registration data, the college name, all sub, we are going to change it, right? After the quiz is over, you just share the data with us. We will clean those data, the college name, sub. Already we have the registration data with us. Before issuing the certificate, we will just clean those data, then we can issue the certificate.
Sure, sir, definitely.
If example, the college name is short, they have given OSUB, the registration data they may have given clearly, right? So
And
that before
sir, one more thing, that is clear instructions, like generally they need to give. That's only.
Registration data maximum, everyone may have filled 90% clearly. In that feedback and quiz only, they may be writing it. For example, day one, they may be writing short, day two, something. So that based on the quiz data and the registration data, we will try to clean the data and we will issue the certificate.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
But okay. Sure, sir. That's also fine.
Yeah, sir. One more thing. It will be better if you will send the participants' feedback data and whatever the participants who who have
share with you, ma'am.
That data, because that data we will check and again send to the participants in the WhatsApp group for final confirmation before sending for certificates.
And one more request from generally for you also, because again, once people giving the feedbacks and all, ask everyone to give the feedback and everything that day, and at least we can give 4 to 5 hours only. Because many times people call us and sir, can you extend the feedback? I mean, yes, time and all. At least they can make it the same day. That's fine. But after 3 days or 4 days, sir, I forgot to fill that. Can you add it something? It's very difficult, members.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We will not allow because it's very difficult
only,
for us to manage.
That's only my request is whatever the points we are discussing, you can also keep some points and you can write an email to all our participants. So as feedback and quiz is mandatory, and they need to correct the names in case if it is they given wrong. These all the things once or 2 times if we share, then only it will be possible. And people who are not giving feedbacks and who are not attempting the quiz, they are not getting certificates at all. That also will make sure that we need to keep in the email.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether attendance and feedback, both the things will be given daily to the participants?
Feedback, yes, ma'am. Attendance and feedback, they need to give daily. Because
okay,
whatever the things I will try to share to you mostly, okay, end of the day, quiz is mandatory.
Every day there will be quiz?
No, ma'am. Quiz
only
will be
feedback.
5th day.
Okay. Okay. And 7 to 8 timing is there. So will it be extend some time, or whether means for how much time we have to log in there?
Generally, we all collaboratively making this program. So if you ask me, can you make it tomorrow also? Like generally the 25th, the final day, right? So if you ask me to allow 26th, if everyone isn't same, then we can allow until 26th. But the certificate will be delayed.
Okay.
And if you make it 25th midnight, so we'll make it. Because if you keep registrations, we can't share the data with you. Once we close the registrations, like feedback or something, whatever we discuss, quiz or something, once we close only, we'll share the data. I mean, the details to you.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ganesh sir, this is Rajesh from Pragati.
Yes, sir.
Is there any stipulation like do we need to get feedback every day? Is it mandatory?
Sir, not mandatory, sir. Generally, what happens?
Yeah.
In the FDPs, after 1 year or 2 years, like generally, whenever you are going for some NBS and all, they'll ask all 5 days feedback. Sometimes.
Okay.
Be with you, right?
No. My point is like, having is good, but making all the people to submit that will be a difficult task.
Right, sir. Right.
On every day, getting from all the 29,000 collaboratively also, it will be a very difficult task for us to accomplish, I feel.
Everyone is in coordinators here, sir, including me. So
yes, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. If it is only 100 or 150 people, then we can follow up. But as a whole, getting the feedback submitted from all the 29,000 people as a whole will be maybe a bit difficult, I feel. So, if it is possible, we'll circulate the link to all the people. Whoever is possible to submit the feedback, they will submit. Attendance is anyway mandatory.
Sir, as a coordinators, we need to do that work, sir. As a host college, we are the organizers, so we need to forward the feedback link to our participants to complete it. I think so.
It's not the question of not forwarding, ma'am. Whether they don't fill, then again, if because of that, if we deny the certificate for them, they
yes,
will again
sir.
come back to us.
Sir, that's the thing, sir. Before the starting of the session, we need to give clear instructions to the participants. Daily feedback is mandatory, and last day they need to give the quiz. As per the quiz marks and feedback what they have submitted, they will get the certificates. So then automatically they will do the work because it's their work. They are the participants. Till now, whatever we are done, we are doing. Now it's their turn to get their certificates. Minimum they need to do.
And one more thing, sir.
Madam, they are not students. They are faculties and doctorate peoples. We cannot.
Sir, yes, sir. We are the faculty members. We already know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We also conducted so many FDPs.
They are
yes, sir.
Experience.
That's the reason why.
On our request, they have joined.
Yes, sir. It's mandatory to get certificate to give the feedback in every FDP.
Sir, sir,
actually, host college.
Yes, madam. Everybody has to their minimum. They have to do the
college
work,
must have to provide some kind of instructions on their WhatsApp group. And actually, as per the Ganesh sir said, they will provide some time span actually, and within that time span, it may be feasible into the 4 to 5 hours. Just we have to fill out that particular feedback form. So it is very much easy task, and no one will forget it.
Sir, what I'm saying is generally, if we take daily attendance and something, the feedbacks, okay, the participants at least try to attend regularly.
Yes, yes.
That's the thing, sir. That's the thing I want to convey to everyone.
Both college have to provide some instructions with some link to the PDF files. That is the mandatory cases.
Sir, the feedback itself is attendance or anything, any different attendance you will circulate, sir?
Feedback from it, same ma'am. Generally, once they are giving the feedback.
The feedback itself is attendance.
Itself, we can take attendance.
Okay.
Simple feedback we'll give. It should not be in okay, more questions or something. Okay, we can give at least. Okay, so very simple.
Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Minimum or maximum feedback is there? How many feedbacks they have to fill up?
No, daily feedback, right?
It's compulsory to fill all these, right?
That's only, ma'am, because actually our motto of FDP, generally we are reducing the time, evening 7 to 8, but hardly 5 hours. And sometimes we might be extend half an hour might be. If we totally
give time till next day morning 9 o'clock, sir. That's better to everyone. If today's session is finished, second day morning before 9 o'clock, please open your feedback forms. That's better to everyone.
That's better.
Sure.
After 9 o'clock, you can close your forms, sir. That's better.
Done, ma'am. Done. That's
Thank you, sir. Sir, as a FDP will start from Monday, so it will be better to send all these instructions either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So if all the instructions will be given through mail from your side to us, we can circulate it.
Discussion, you just keep in the, points in the group also. what we do is we'll make it, because some might be will
Sir,
forget.
please make a document form, sir, all these rules and regulations. Then we will forward to every participant.
We'll make it. My request is, if we, everyone is in WhatsApp group, right? Whatever the ideas you are getting, I mean, questions and all, you can keep in the group. Okay, first, then we'll make a document and checklist.
Kindly post the
Yes, sir.
feedback link
Yes, sir.
and kindly post the feedback link and examination link, quiz link in the while YouTube online also, sir. YouTube while it is
No, most
the
of the
session
time
is going on, sir.
We'll try, sir.
Yeah. While the session is going on, and the YouTube
Actually, we are trying to stop the comments, YouTube comments, because many
Yes,
people
sir, it will be disturbed for others. I hope. Continuation chat.
people saying hi, bye. That thing is, okay. That is the reason we are closing all.
actually, but we are all participants are watching the FDP program on the YouTube only, no, sir.
That's only.
That's
sir.
why, because all are watching on FDP, watching on YouTube. So better to post the feedback link and quiz link on YouTube online also, along with
No, what happened
FD
in YouTube case, what happens, sir? Actually, most of the participants only asking for the feedback link each and every time, minute to minute. And it is not possible to handle all 29,000 peoples, and the comments will be again and
If the
again.
time is over, sir, they will keep continuous comments. Post the feedback,
So
like
that
that. It will be
there
disturbance.
is the
We'll
work
start
of host college. Host college must have to provide the feedback link in their WhatsApp group. So it is more feasible, because there is no any work of host college. If they provide, Brenovision will provide each and every task, each and every feedback link and all things from their side. Then what is our role?
Sir, your role actually.
Anyway, sir, kindly mail, sir. Kindly mail the feedback link and the quiz link to the participants' email. At least participants' email, sir.
Sir, one more thing. My request, if anyone going through this like Indian book of records or something, okay.
Yes.
Because only one or two members work on that. So come with any new ideas for this and all. Keep in the group. And it's almost 9:10, and we are okay. I know that this is a crucial time. And my request, if any ideas, like whatever the questions you have, you can post in the group. So we'll take it forward, and as well as we'll make all the questions and in a document format, and we'll share with you and as well as all the participants. And still any questions, sir? Can we conclude?
Ganesh sir, one more question is here. Professor Vachekar from DY Patil Akodi. Actually, sir, what is the certificate policy? Is Brenovision is going to provide the certificate to each and every participants through Drive link, or host colleges have to prepare some e-certificate generation form?
So host college need to prepare a certificate.
Hello.
Sir, 1 minute. I request
Yes, sir.
everyone kindly keep yourself, sir. Mute. Okay. Sir, the thing is that we are going to share a template. So based on the template, actually, you need to make your certificate, designing and everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After that, you need to share with us. We'll share the certificate to all the participants from our end, because we need to add signatures and all, right?
Yes.
So that is the reason.
Okay, sir. No problem. Like last time, just we have to prepare our college logo and all things, signatures and all things, and we have to just mail it to you, or any submit it via Google form, and then you will provide the certificate as per the registrations. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, one suggestion is there.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes what happens means a registered participant may share the link to the non-registered participants. Suppose they fill that, means it will become some hectic, and if you search the name in your database, if they don't find those names, means it will become somewhat difficult to you and become some late in processing.
Sir, I think one solution is here. Sir, Ganesh sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That feedbacks, those who have filled that feedback, you have to just share that Excel sheet with post that Excel sheet over our host college WhatsApp group, so that they will identify who is filled, who have not filled that feedback form, and that will be better for monitoring all the feedbacks of all the sessions. So host college will make it. There will be.
Sure, sir. I'll talk to my internal team and definitely. Okay, so I'll.
Because that feedbacks is also required to generate the reports of FDP for each and every college to show it to the NBA or NAC wherever.
Yes.
So
Sure.
it is more feasible or flexible that college will maintain all the feedbacks. Just take it to your side, but share that Excel sheet on host college WhatsApp group so that it will be more flexible.
Yeah. Sure. And we'll keep one meeting. So
because it is not possible for you also to search each and every names and monitor each and every data of 29,000 people. So host college coordinators will monitor that, and also.
Sure, sir. Definitely, I'll take it as a advice. So definitely, I'll talk to my team and I'll go for it, sir.
Yes.
So, and I request if anyone having suggestions, and the thing is that rules and regulations you can keep in the our group. So we'll take it forward and we'll make a document. So, sir, one more thing might be whatever the college who reached 100, 100 place. Okay, 1 to 100. We'll make a one more. Tomorrow. So we'll get. Thank you, sir, ma'am, for our time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, Ganesh sir.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Hello, Ganesh sir.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I am the faculty from J&T College of Engineering, Kilendra.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are you in the WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
Sir, whatever the questions you can post in the WhatsApp group, sir.
No, sir. Just one thing I know, sir. Just now I joined in the faculty as the associate professor in Annamacharya Institute of College. Kadapa.
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Annamacharya Institute of Science and Technology, Kadapa, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
I have registered about 400 students, sir. I mean, faculty and the students both.
Yes, sir. Yes. Tell me, sir.
You have sent details, sir. That is around top 20 institutions we have been sent one mail.
Sir, we'll share, sir. Generally, top 20 and next top 50 and next top 100 like that. Actually, by tomorrow evening, we'll share all the data, sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Got it.
Okay.
Sir?
Actually, sir, ma'am, whatever the things, still 1 hour. It's 1 hour.
No. I'm not asking any question, sir. One of my coordinator wants to join this group, but they could not join it because admin have to.
You can share the link. What I do is I'll share the link. Okay, so in WhatsApp only. Are you in the WhatsApp, Rajshri ma'am?
I am in the WhatsApp, sir. So due to some urgent reason, in case if I'm not available, then I have to assign other coordinator. But she has not joined the link. Means group. So today she tried, but she could not get.
Okay. So we'll keep the link again in the group, ma'am. So you can share with only the coordinators. We'll
Okay,
keep
only coordinators.
Yeah,
Only coordinators.
sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
So my request is in case if someone misses the meeting or might be joined middle and that everything is in YouTube live. Okay, just go to the YouTube link, Brainovision YouTube link. Then you can understand all the discussion happening. And again, thank you so much. I'll like to thank to all the players. Thank you once again. Next, sir.